this goes into a theme where I said, I call pre-tax in your lifestyle. And this is where you've got some expense, but the fact that you're a business owner or investor allows you to now deduct it, right? So these are things you're probably already writing off. All right, so let's talk. Everybody's got to eat. Got to love eating, right? That's why my wife and I dated so well. We like going out to eat. So here's the deal on meals. For 2 years during COVID, any business meal was 100% deductible for the years 2021 and 2022. They were helping the restaurants out, and it's a good thing, right? Because restaurant prices doubled. You can't go out for less than $100 now. So, but starting in 2023, the old 50% meals rule is back. So just regular business meals are 50% deductible. There is a category often referred to as overtime meals that are 100% deductible. And I'm going to explain exactly what that is on the next slide. If you have entertainment, those are not deductible at all. Entertainment is usually things like concert tickets or go playing a round of golf. So I'll give you some workarounds on that. However, if it's a corporate function, meaning you're taking your entire team to something that might be entertainment, then suddenly it's 100% deductible. And then there's something called sponsorships, which are 100% deductible. So let me dig in on what this means. There's the 100% meals that, so do not run into the 50% limit. If it's a corporate function, meaning you're taking the whole team out to eat. For example, April 15th, or in our firm, April 12th is when we're ending tax season. We have a 3:00 reservation at a cool restaurant down the way. Glad COVID's over. We're renting a room, and we're going to eat. And it's going to be 100% deductible because the entire team is going, the entire team that lives in Raleigh. If you bring office snacks in, right? If you got a break room, that's 100% deductible. And then something referred to as overtime rules, when you bring in food for the convenience of the employer and you're feeding everybody in the office, not just, the owner and the management team, then that's referred to as an overtime meal. So in the old days, right, in tax season, we'd work till 9:00 at night, we'd bring in dinner, and that's a classic overtime meal. Now, in the world of remote, we bring in lunch every Wednesday to try to bribe people to come into the office, and since it's for everybody, right, that's 100% deductible. If you provide meals to the public because you're doing something promotional, that's 100% deductible. And if you're, like, say, in a consulting type business and you're going to a client and they're reimbursing you, then that's 100% deductible. So I, for example, I do a lot of speaking, and besides my speaking fee, they'll reimburse my meals, right, if I pay for it myself. So that's 100%. Whereas if I just went on a regular business meal, it's 50%. So segueing into that, if it's just you're doing a business meal, you're with a customer, a vendor, or one or two of your team members, that's 50%. If it's just the owners, that's 50%. And then if you're on business travel, if it's not reimbursed, then that's 50%. Okay, corporate events. So I told you entertainment's not deductible. So here's how you can get it deductible. The key is you take the whole team. So if I go, we don't have a pro football team in Raleigh, that's over in Charlotte, but we have a hockey team. If I just go with a client or, one of my team members for some one-on-one, no deduction. But I take everybody to the hockey game, 100%. You go play a round of golf with a customer, not deductible. But if you sponsor the golf tournament, 100% deductible. So it's all in the style points.